It's only me, Claire Baker, former Clutterholic, founder of clutterclearing.net, bringing you a Friday message from my rather snowy garden. It's funny, isn't it? Here in the UK, we can't cope with much snow. A couple of inches and the country grounds to a halt. I fully appreciate that if you're in Canada or America, this is nothing in comparison. In fact, somebody said to me the other day, she's Canadian and she's lived over here for about 20 years, but her family are back in Canada, and she has a little thing where she takes a screenshot of a photograph of her dashboard on her car when it records a new record low for the UK. And the other day it recorded minus 7.5. And she sends it to her brother in Canada as a bit of a joke, and then he sends one back about what it is there, because of course minus 13, minus 15 is kind of the norm out there, but here in the UK the country grounds to a bit of a halt. Good to stay in the warm, have the nice woolly warm jumpers on, and do some clutter clearing if that's your need. So I wanted to say a big thank you for everybody who has taken a look at the new website, the new logo, the new courses, and has let me know about the little gremlins that are in there. They're always there when you launch something new. So thank you for letting me know about them. I am working through the list of things that people have mentioned, things that don't perhaps quite make sense, or even grammatical mistakes that I've made. So thank you for that. Do keep letting me know about things that you find on that website. People are registering for the open day, the Clutter College open day in March, which is great. Depending on numbers, we will have it here at my home. If we get too many people registering, we will find somewhere nearby where we can meet. I will still bring my baking, my muffins, my sausage rolls, my cheese straws that I make. So that won't change with the Clutter College open day. It would be lovely to see you if you are able to come. That's on a Saturday. But in the meantime, do please stay warm, stay safe, and keep letting me know about the gremlins that are on the new website. The feedback so far is good. People are liking the new logo, our turning 18 new logo, so thank you for that. Let me know if you are struggling with your clutter challenges, if you're just not sure what to do, then do let me know, and we can perhaps have a chat about that, either on email or via Skype or telephone. All right, in the meantime, I'm going to leave you and close these doors again and get back in the warm. All the cats are sitting in front of the gas fire in the office. So I think I might do the same. Have a nice cup of tea, and I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.